Congratulations! Your loan is conditionally approved. A SunWest loan originator is always on top of her approvals, no matter where she is. Break free with Morgan.
Welcome to The Interest. I'm Katie Jensen. The market's gloomy outlook is causing more financial institutions to bow out of mortgage lending, the next being Comerica Inc. But in better news, inflation is beginning to slow, which could mean a pause in rate hikes. Warehouse lenders are a lifeline of liquidity for non-bank lenders, providing independent mortgage banks the credit and financing to originate loans. If options among warehouse lenders dwindle down, the cost of borrowing could increase for mortgage bankers. In a presentation to Morgan Stanley this morning, Comerica explains that getting out of mortgage financing will improve liquidity and the lender's loan-to-deposit ratio. But there are some more hopeful signs for the future. The latest report from the Bureau of Labor Statistics shows that inflation is slowing down. Core inflation rose 5.3% over the past year, but good news is that it's slowing. May's 4% annual increase is the smallest we've seen all year and signals that the Federal Reserve will pause rate hikes in June. However, the fact core inflation is still high could raise doubts over whether that will actually happen. Until market and economic conditions improve, it's important for originators to hold on to their integrity, which Kind Lending CEO Glenn Stearns talks about in his new book. Coming up, Stearns explains how to handle tough competition.
People talking, but they just don't know. It's in my heart why I love you so. I love you, baby, like a mine of love gold. Come on, sugar, let the good times roll.
Join us in New Orleans July 11th for Ultimate Mortgage Expo at Hotel Monteleone. Make connections with the best in the industry that will elevate your career to new levels.
A lot of people live in make-believe. They keep a lot going up their sleeve. But baby, my love ain't the kind that folds. Come on, sugar, let the good times roll.
Ultimate Mortgage Expo, the Gulf Coast ultimate gathering for mortgage professionals. Go to nmplink.com/ultimate and register today for free with promo code NMPFREE.
Welcome back. It may be surprising to hear that Kind Lending CEO Glenn Stearns and the CEO of United Wholesale Mortgage, Matt Ishbia, used to be fierce rivals back in the day. One with an abundance mindset and the other who believes there's no such thing as friendly competition. Our own Christine Stewart got the scoop in an interview with Stearns.
I don't want to be aggressive in putting down the other lenders and saying why we're better than them. I don't have to do that. None of that matters when people see happy people in your company. Then that attracts other people.
Glenn Stearns, the founder and CEO of Kind Lending, is a well-known force in the mortgage industry and beyond, thanks to his founding of Stearns Lending and his starring role in the television series Undercover Billionaire. Now he can add top-selling author to his biography. His new book, Integrity, debuted at the top of Amazon's bestseller list in mid-May.
I have a lot of respect for the other owners. I think they have respect for me. And we just don't get ourselves in a lot of pissing matches,
If there was a difference of opinion with another company like United Wholesale Mortgage,
I'd call up Matt Ishbia and say, let's go to lunch.
Stearns says he ran into Ishbia, the CEO of UWM, a few months ago, and he told him that he never had more fun in the industry when they were number 2 and number 1.
We sharpened each other. We made each other better.
Stearns says he knows the market has been challenged over the past year, but that doesn't change how you lead.
You either come from, a mentality of scarcity or abundance, right? And, I think there's enough to go around.
For more of our interview with Stearns or excerpts from his new book, Integrity, go to the new June issue of Mortgage Banker magazine at mortgagebankermag.com. For The Interest, I'm Christine Stewart.
Thanks, Christine. For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.